If you're shopping for new windows, you've probably heard a lot of talk about energy efficiency, and some of the terminology might be unfamiliar. 4 performance ratings are used to determine which windows receive ENERGY STAR certification. U factor refers to how well a window is insulated by measuring the heat transfer. A low U factor indicates less heat is flowing in or out, providing better insulation value. Visible light transmittance is the measure of how much light passes through a window. The solar heat gain coefficient is the amount of solar radiation allowed to pass through a window. The lower the number, the less solar heat gain the window permits. And structural design pressure, often shown as dP, is the amount of wind a window will withstand when closed and locked. Now let's look at what elements of glass options or glass packages make your windows energy efficient. Newer windows are typically double or triple pane, which means they have either 2 or 3 panes of glass. Glass spacer systems reduce the thermal transfer around the glass perimeter by separating the glass panes and interrupting the natural flow of heat to cold. The space in between glass panes can be filled with odorless, colorless, and non-toxic inert gases like argon to maximize energy efficiency. And low E glass coatings, which are virtually invisible metallic layers, can be deposited on the glass surface to reduce solar heat gain from UV rays. All of these glass package elements work together to improve a window's energy efficiency, saving you money on your heating and cooling costs for years to come.